You know, I'm a hot mess. I'm a literally hot mess right now. We have a Nike haul. Oh my God, they're even like cooler in person. Holy, Mercury's in retrograde, everyone. She's as sassy as ever. And I'm like, is this maturity? Good morning, everyone. We made a coffee run and there's a car watching me do this. This is awkward. You know? Okay, let's see if I can open this one-handed. Oof. Good morning. Welcome to Alicia Being a Hot Mess, part 20,000,002. What's up? Honestly, does anyone else get just freaking terrified whenever you wear a white hoodie? Because me. We got, say it with me now, just kidding. My coffee order has changed so much over the years. Does anyone remember when I would always get a venti iced skinny vanilla latte from skinny soy vanilla latte from Starbucks? Like that was my shit. That was everything. There was a time where I was like, Alicia, you need to slow down on these venti lattes because you are like, There's definitely a few times where I would get like 2 ventis in a day and I was like, we gotta cut back on this. I'm honestly like such a hot mess right now. And also someone's walking by, which makes me more, I'm a hot mess. I'm a literally hot mess right now. Side note, I've been using my fanny pack for honestly a few months now and I've just been loving it. I don't know, I feel like it's super easy, holds everything. Also, I'm gonna point out something if anyone has not noticed yet. I got my nails done, you guys, for the first time in literally months. Actually, I have another vlog and I'm not sure if I think this one's actually not gonna go up first before the other one. Ooh. Point being, sorry. Who am I? I actually feel like my old self again. I got my nails done because I actually had a shoot last night and I really, really needed my nails done. Honestly, my toes were really thankful because they looked rough. Like it was to the point where I wouldn't wear sandals because my nails looked so bad. And I'm like, I could have just painted them myself, but I don't know why I didn't. My white toe gel polish eventually turned into a French tip during quarantine. A lot of things happened in quarantine. Point being, it's so sexy. Anyways, I'm on one today. I honestly have already chugged so much of this coffee and the caffeine has hit me. Anyways, I'm gonna head home right now. I have a lot of random work that I need to do. Okay, I've talked way too much already. I don't know why, I'm in a great mood today. Hi, Mama. Hi. Come here. How come Chloe, people think I hate you because you never want to come in the vlog. Rosie's all up in front of the camera. Hey, bitch. Get over here. She's as sassy as ever. My room is kind of a mess. You guys have been coming for me lately. Being like, Alicia, when is your room not a mess? Honestly, slightly offended. I'm kidding. I've like chugged this coffee. For those of you asking, oh my God, I actually have seen a few comments about this, so I'm glad I actually mentioned that. I mentioned to you guys a few months ago, specifically on the podcast too, that I kind of cut out caffeine because of my anxiety, and it actually helped a ton. Obviously, I'm drinking coffee again. I kind of slowly reintroduced it back into my life. I think I went a whole month and a half though without really having any caffeine and it was hard, but it definitely helped a lot and I just kind of slowly started bringing it back and I think now I'm just way more self-aware. If I'm already very anxious, I will make sure not to have like too much coffee or caffeine because it's not the caffeine that makes me anxious. It's just if I'm already anxious, that just kind of like heightens it. So I feel like I've learned to like really be able to be self-aware and gauge where my anxiety is that day. So I don't know if that's helpful or not. I have gotten a lot of comments of people wondering because obviously I'm showing me drinking Celsius or like energy drinks and then coffee, or I'll have 2 coffees and everyone's like, wait, I thought you cut it out. So that is kind of what I've been doing. I feel like it's so different for everyone, but so yeah, that's kind of what I have been doing the past few months. I also really, really enjoyed, there was this one energy drink that had no jitters to it. It has a certain ingredient that's I think from green tea or something. It was really nice because it gave me mental energy. It's like I don't even know how to pronounce it. What brand was it? It's the matcha. It was the matcha bar the matcha bar one. Maybe I'll put it here if I can find it. Flavor-wise, they weren't my favorite. However, I didn't feel like jittery or like shaky from it, but I felt more awake, which was really nice. I'm sorry, but it's still so trippy for me to see me with nails. I feel like I'm very aware of like me talking because it's weird. I took off my acrylics back in April or May. It's weird seeing me now with acrylics because it's been months. I feel like I'm getting to that point in my adult life where I'm realizing, you know, everything my parents told me to do as a kid, like now I understand, you know. Now I see why it's beneficial to, you know, make your bed every morning, to fold your laundry, to get up early, to go to sleep early. I feel like I'm finally entering to that mature point of adulthood. Now I'm getting to the point where I actually will even work better or just have a better day if all of my stuff is cleaned up. And let me tell you, I used to never be like that. And I'm like, is this maturity? Am I mature? So yeah, like crazy, right? It's nice being organized, you know what I mean? But then I'll turn to this corner and see this. I feel like this is my life. Like in some areas, she is put together. She is amazing. You know, on her shit, everything together, a boss ass bitch. And then you come over to this side of my life and it's like, oh, just throw it over there. Like we'll get to it later. Yeah, very accurate representation of that. Anyways, I stopped recording for a little bit, but I honestly got quite a bit done. Got all the suitcase stuff. I just have all of this laundry to put away. That's pretty much it. There's just some little like things I need to kind of pick up and stuff. But yes, making moves. Oh my god, I also got my first spray tan yesterday and like the longest time ever. And like, I don't know, like I forgot how messy it is and how unattractive it smells. Like the smell of spray tan is honestly the worst smell. It's weird because I like it because it reminds me of like something exciting, like a trip or something like that. But if you guys were wondering, you're like, wow, you look like extra tan overnight, then that is why. I'm procrastinating, which means I'm cleaning because I, Alicia, always procrastinate when I need to do something and I have a bit of editing that I really need to do, and I usually only clean when I'm procrastinating, so yes. So, but I'm not mad at it, you know why? Because the room it's looking pretty good. Oh my god, I showed you guys this in my Malibu vlog, if you guys saw that and remember it. I'm still reading it. I haven't gotten too much further, but it is so good, and I just found it in a bag that I had, and I was like, Alicia, you need to finish this. It's honestly so inspiring. I'm about halfway now, so I'm gonna put this over here so tonight I can be like, bitch, read that. I used to be on such a reading kick. I feel like earlier this year, I was like reading so much, and now I'm like, I don't know, I guess I'm just out of the rhythm of it maybe. It's literally so weird. So if you're reading a book and you love it and you think I would love it, please comment it down below. I don't really like fantasy stuff. I like more work productive stuff or novels that just fully encompass you that you're so into. So any recommendations, any self-help books, anything like that, let a girl know. Oh my god, I don't think I'm gonna be able to see butterflies or butterfly clips and not think of the top of quarantine. I mean, butterflies have always been trendy, but especially the butterfly clips. I feel like I was wearing these every 2 seconds. My desk is so nasty. I should have honestly got a little cover thing for it because now there's like so much makeup stuff all over it and it's so annoying. Okay, I am gonna go officially edit. Oh no. Postmates just said Mercury's in retrograde. I thought I put my notifications off. Mercury's in retrograde, everyone. Sometimes I really don't know what that means, but I just got a very, very exciting delivery that I posted on my Instagram story, I want to say like a month ago, and it took forever to finally arrive. That's upside down. We have a Nike haul, and I'm very excited. Oh my god, they're even like cooler in person. Holy shit. What are these guys called? These are the Nike Dunk Low Disrupt in Summit White and Black, if you were wondering. I love this. I'm obsessed. Surprisingly, with my shoe collection, you would expect me to have some black and white shoes. I mostly just have white Air Force Ones because that's what I love. But I really am vibing with the black. I also really like it with my outfit. Maybe we'll get an Instagram today with them. Wow, these are so nice. I'm Taylor King. We may have to have a photo shoot today. Oh, sick. Then I'm wearing black. Oh, like I didn't plan this. Okay, I definitely have something in my hair and I'm not sure if that was literally there the whole vlog. They're so freaking comfortable and I really didn't plan for it to kind of match my outfit today, so I was like, and of course I already got, speaking of getting stuff on white sweatshirts, I already got something here and I spilled my salad dressing a little bit, so
I can't really see the Mercedes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hopefully I'm getting this. I feel like you can't see it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
What's up? I look really bad right now, but I just wanted to end the vlog because a bitch didn't end the vlog, so. Don't judge me. Okay, bye.